Yeah, no paneling here yet. Let's see, we got some $5.99 Hawaiian roll. Let's go with that. 7 ounces, 12 ounces. We'll go with ham, a cheese item. Ham and cheese, Leicester, cheddar. Let's do the monster cheese for $2.79. $12.49 for a dozen eggs. $13.29. Yeah, $20 for that 18 pack. That's more than the buck an egg. Utterly mad. They frickin' sabotaged the economy the best they could before they left. I'll grab some of this $4.69 because the new stuff is $5.99. Oh boy, we're gonna have ham and cheese sliders. Yeah, and you know, the Franz, Hawaiians. Probably the best bet. The other ones are alright, but nah, this is the stuff. These are easy to mutilate because they're so soft. We have the Miracle Knife made in China. I didn't buy it, I found it in the trash. So yeah, we got the industrial size mustard. You can get one of these on Amazon Prime for like $6. Here, a 12-ounce bottle is going to cost you $3 something. There's a freaking gallon. No, ain't like the mustard goes bad. And ham. I gotta make my ham nice and straight. I get OCD about my ham here. This time we got Munster. And the key, butter with an insane amount of powdered garlic, onion powder, and pepper. And you just coat these suckers liberally. What we got here? And we'll cover them. Pop them in the oven for, we'll call it 12 minutes. At about what, we're at 350. I'm a slow cooker. Ooh, beep beep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to go over them again because butter is good for you. We're going to pop her back in the oven for, I don't know, 6 minutes. Just enough to toast them up a little. And we'll be back. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, nice. Little crispiness. Get her in frame here. Ooh, look at that. A little crispiness. Ow. Ow. Wonder bar.